Good day to everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying a very good health. I'm Aliya Batool from Multan Public School and College. Today we are going to discuss grammar. Our grammar topic for today is simple past regular verbs and the use of them in sentences. First of all, we will discuss what is a verb. A verb is a word which describes an action. For example, run, play, walk, write, etc. These words represent particular actions and these are verbs. Now we will discuss what are forms of verb. There are 4 forms of verb. Simple present, which is first form of verb. Simple past, which is second form of verb. Past participle, which is third form of verb. Present participle, which is fourth form of verb. Let's understand the concept of forms of verb with the help of an example. For example, I take a random verb that is work. The first form of this verb is work. The second form of work is worked. The third form of work is worked. And the fourth form of work is working. The concept of forms of verb is now related to our main topic, regular verb. Now I'll tell you what is a regular verb. A regular verb is the one whose simple past form and its past participle is formed by adding d or ed to its simple present form. It means that if we add d or ed to the first form of the verb, second and third form of that verb are formed. These are some common examples of regular verbs: bake, baked, baked, bag, bagged, begged, behave, behaved, behaved, boil, boiled, boiled, borrow, borrowed, borrowed, brush, brushed, brushed, bury, buried, buried, challenge, challenged, challenged, change, changed, changed, chase, chased, chased, cheat, cheated, cheated, cheer, cheered, cheered, chew, chewed, chewed, clap, clapped, clapped, clean, cleaned, cleaned, collect, collected, collected, compare, compared, compared. In these examples, you can see the simple past and past participle of all these verbs are formed by adding d or ed to their base forms. And now we will discuss the structure of sentences with respect to simple past regular verb. First, we will discuss about the structure of affirmative sentences. First comes a subject, then regular verb, which is in the second form, that is simple past, and then object. For example, he cleaned his teeth. In this sentence, he is subject, cleaned is the second form of regular verb, clean, and the teeth is the object. Now we will discuss about the structure of negative sentences. First comes subject, then didn't, then regular verb, that is in the first form of verb, and then object. For example, he didn't clean his teeth. Now we will discuss about the structure of interrogative sentences. First comes did, then subject, then regular verb, that is in the first form of verb, then object, and then question mark. For example, did he clean his teeth? Question mark. And in the end, we will discuss the structure of WH interrogative sentences. First comes WH word, then did, then subject, then regular verb, that is in the first form of verb, then object, and then question mark. For example, when did he clean his teeth? Question mark. Now it's time for recalling. In this lesson, we have learned about the use of regular verbs. It's all from today's lesson. If you have any query related to this topic, feel free to contact me. Stay safe, stay blessed.